In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the time duration for slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. We're going to walk through how to control exactly how long each slide stays on the screen, which is really useful for self-running presentations, kiosks, or rehearsing a talk. I'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along, even if you're fairly new to PowerPoint. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and make sure you're in normal view so you can see your slides on the left and the main slide in the center. Click on the slide you want to control the timing for. You can set timings one slide at a time, or later apply the same timing to multiple slides. But we'll start with just one, so you see how it works. Now, go to the top of the screen and click on the Transitions tab. This is where PowerPoint controls how slides move from one to the next, and it's also where we set the timing. On the right-hand side of the Transitions ribbon, look for the section called Timing. In that area, you'll see an option labeled After, with a box next to it that shows seconds. If On Mouse Click is turned on, that means the slide will only change when you click. To make it change automatically, make sure After is checked. Then, in that box, type how many seconds you want this slide to stay on the screen before moving to the next one. For example, if you want it to stay for 5 seconds, type 5. You can use decimal values too, like 3.5 seconds, if you need more precise control. Once you've entered your time, press Enter to confirm. If you want all the slides in your presentation to use this same timing, click the Apply to All button in the Transitions tab. That instantly copies the timing to every slide, which is great for simple, evenly paced presentations. To test your settings, go to the Slideshow tab at the top and choose From Beginning or From Current Slide. Let the slides run without clicking. You should see them advance automatically based on the timing you just set. If a slide moves too quickly or lingers too long, just stop the show. Adjust the number of seconds in the Transitions tab and test again. As a quick tip, remember that slides with more text or complex charts usually need more time, while simple image slides can move faster. Adjust timings with your audience and your speaking pace in mind, and you'll have a smooth, professional-looking slideshow.